Welcome back to Ashok Educational Groups. In this video, we will discuss Indian Constitution most expected questions for all the CET examinations. Question: the President has the powers to nominate two members to the Parliament belonging to answer Anglo-Indian community. Question: the doctrine that fundamental rights that cannot be amended under Article 368 was propounded by the Supreme Court. Answer: Golaknath versus State of Punjab. Question: what does hung parliament mean? Answer: a parliament in which no party has clear majority. Question: what type of voting is held in Vidhana Sabha to elect a member of the Rajya Sabha? Answer: open voting. Question: Rajya Sabha has equal powers with the Lok Sabha in answer: in a meeting the Constitution, only in the meetings of Constitution. Question: what is the maximum possible strength of the Legislative Assembly of a state in India? Answer: 500 members. Question: according to the Indian Constitution, the Lok Sabha must meet at least answer: twice each year with no more than 6 months between the sessions. Question: if the president rule under Article 356 is proposed in a state, answer: Parliament assumes the powers to legislate on the state list. Question: which parliamentary committee in India acts as watchdog on departmental expenditure and irregularities? Answer: Public Accounts Committee. Watchdog is Public Accounts Committee. Question: the plan to transfer powers to the Indians and partition of the country was laid down on the options: Cabinet Mission, Simon Commission, Cripps Mission, the Mountbatten Plan. So answer is Mountbatten Plan. Question: for the first time Indian legislature was made bicameral under Act, and under which Act? Option A, Government of India Act 1861, B, Government of India Act 1892, and Indian Government of India Act 1915, and Indian Government Act 1919. Option D. Answer is option D. The Indian legislative made bicameral under Government Act of 1919. Question: which act divided legislative powers between center and province? So options: Government of India Act 1935, Government of India Act 1919, Government of India Act 1892, Government India Act of 1861. Answer A, Government of India Act 1935 made or divided the legislative powers between central and province. Question: who was the chairman of drafting committee? And no need for option. That is absolutely Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question: Article 44 is related to. So Article 22 and 44 are related to Uniform Civil Code for Citizens. Option B, provision of early childhood care and education to children below the age of 6 years. C, the duty of a state to raise the level of nutrition. D. Organization of Agriculture and Animal Husbandry. These three are wrong. Option A is right. Uniform Civil Code for Citizens. In which amendment act the Sindhi language was included as 15th regional language in the 8th schedule? Option 1, First Constitutional Amendment Act 1956, 7th Constitutional Act, 7th Constitutional Amendment Act 1956, 15th Constitutional Amendment Act 1963, 21st Constitutional Amendment Act 1967. Option D, answer D, that is 21st Constitutional Amendment Act 1967. That's Hindi as recognized. Question: how many articles were there originally in the Constitution of India? So absolutely that are 395 articles are there. Question: under the Constitution of India, who are the ultimate sovereign? That options: Indian people, Prime Minister of India, President of India, and all the elected leaders of India. So the absolute power is under Indian people. Option A, answer A. Option A, Indian people. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos.